What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video with the beautiful Braillehouse 2.0. We have very special guest, BMX Caden.
What's up, guys? I was here like 3 years ago, and I'm back now. This place is so fun. Last time I had a lot of fun, I was like 7, and I got some new tricks riding the new ramps now.
Yeah, I was about to ask, how old are you? And I was gonna say, last time you were here before my time, so I haven't never actually seen you ride, so I'm very excited to see what you're gonna bring to the plate today.
Yeah, I got flares, I got double whips, double bars, I got a lot of stuff.
Yeah, that's awesome. What, you know, we got the new vert ramp now too. You've been rolling around a bit. What takes you a fancy at the park here? What do you think you want to ride first?
Maybe the vert, I could flare it maybe.
Dang,
vert
straight
first,
to the vert.
All right, yeah, sounds good.
So you're 10 now, yeah?
I'm 11, I just turned 11.
Nice, what'd you get for your birthday?
Well, so my mom and dad have been working on this room for me, like a new bedroom and stuff, and a walk-in closet and stuff.
Yeah, let's go. Awesome. All right, well, I got a nice little BMX too. Maybe I'll ride with you. What I was gonna ask you too, what air pressure do you have your tires?
Like 70.
70?
In this, yeah.
Yes, I put mine like 30.
Rick, I know you like skate, but
BMX is hard.
I like bike?
Oh!
Whoa! I just saw Ricky's life flash before my eyes.
Mono?
Dang. Whoa! All right, Caden, wherever you want to go first.
The vert.
All right, let's go. Send it, Rick. I got a question for you, Ricky. Would you rather go back to the death drop-in and do that on a skateboard right now, or drop in vert on the BMX right now? If you
Right
had
now,
to
go back to the other one.
Really?
Because I tried that. I've never tried this.
Dang.
Also, I seen a kid on Instagram drop in the wall successfully.
So this is how you warm up on a vert ramp.
Not normally, but.
What the heck?
Wow!
Oh my God! Stop it. Yo! Hey, you have leveled up since the last time you were here. Dang.
All right, my shot?
Yeah, run it, Rick. I think you got it. You think you can do any of those tricks?
A little more practice in a phone.
There we go.
Even just doing that is kind of scary. Oh, yeah.
Should we build a foam pit in the Braillehouse?
Yes, you should.
All right, do it. All right, it's all you, Caden.
That was the sickest line I've ever seen. Woo! The highest air on BMX. Whoa! Dude, this is crazy.
Wait, have we seen him drop in yet? Oh yeah, he did before.
Yeah. How do you drop in?
Just bunny hop in, it's easy.
What? Oh!
Yeah.
He's officially warmed up. Hey, you always got to wear a helmet in vert, Rick. You should probably get the pads on too. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There you go. This is more my fashion, Rick. Dang. Oh. What kind of tricks are possible in here?
Whip. If the coping sticked out a little more, a flare.
Rick, yes. Oh. Woo.
That's a tiny whip. I don't even hit the coping.
Dang. How did you land that?
See, this is what's interesting with bike and skateboard and street and vert and stuff is like in the vert, he's got so much more time to just make it chill, but then here when it's kind of short, it's like more difficult, right?
Seriously. Dang, that was crazy. Be safe. Hey, I trust you on the
Rock
skate. I trust you on the one wheel. I trust you on the scooter. I do not trust you on the BMX, brother.
Scooter, I'm better than BMX.
I do not.
Drop it like this?
Yeah.
Oh!
That's pretty good.
Bro! Nice. Oh! Oh, back D. Woo! That is so sick. No. No way.
Yeah, rock fake.
Wait, here. Foot jam to rock fakie. Or wait, foot jam to fakie.
Oh!
So
Good
he was
save.
putting his foot on there to stop the wheel, I believe.
Is that what that was? Yes! Oh! I think if you got it, if you just send it, Rick. One drop in is all you need. Oh! You got approximately 1 centimeter of air above coping.
That was pretty good there.
Yeah. What? What?
There.
Oh!
Ricky, you should try this.
Yeah.
It's like a
bonus
foot
plant.
plant, like a. Watch the shins, Rick.
Yeah, I know. Oh wait, I want to go the other way, huh? Alright, got it.
Yeah!
Want to go to the other side?
Yeah. He's like, enough of this vert stuff. Let's go to the streets.
Yeah.
I'm really glad Rick is biking with you because it shows the levels. It shows the levels of skill. Ricky is 100% pro. You're 100% God. Oh, he's flying already. Oh! So a couple years ago, you set the record for the highest wall ride on a BMX, and you still hold the record to this day.
So, can I go higher?
I don't know. You're gonna go fast enough to launch up this, clear over, and then I'm shook. Oh! Dang. Woo!
How high was that?
I would say
To the top, little circle.
the back of your wheel hit about 13 feet. Oh! Oh! That was good. That was at least 14. Well done. You have kept your record and broken it at the same time. No elbow pads, no nothing.
You just tuck your elbow in. All right, so you see this mini ramp right here? We're gonna push it back more, so then you can like see how far you can jump from there all the way to the landing.
You hear that? We're gonna see how far you can go.
Me? You sitting behind the screen. We're gonna test you today. Oh! Almost. Clip.
Yeah.
Oh!
Help me measure this, Kaden. Can you hold it there?
Yeah.
$14.3 feet. 14.3.
Dang.
That's impressive.
That's like 6 Chris's.
Or 2 Ricks.
Or 2 Ricks.
We can put this all the way Like to the other side,
Ah.
way more speed. Yeah, it's like I'm coming down.
Is that enough time? Like it's gonna be kind of close.
I think he's got it. Oh, it worked! Dang! Dang, that's easy. He knows.
That does look fun, you know?
It does.
You just go, woo! Further back. All right.
Still worked. Should we try to hit 15 feet?
Now he's losing run up.
You hit 14.3. If we hit 15, I think that's a success.
Oh, all right. That's exactly 14.3 from before.
14.4.
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh! There we go. I think you can go even further.
Now what?
Do it again. So my mom can film it.
Oh! 15! Whoa! Whoa! He said sending it.
Shin action on the way out. That was insane.
There you go. Oh! Easy.
That's it.
What the? How did you know?
I've seen it in his eyes.
How
Yeah,
did you
sick.
know? That
That was amazing.
Yo! My mind is
feel?
blown.
How did that feel?
Good.
How did you saw it in his eyes?
Yeah, I knew he was going for it. He did the 3 to feel it out, and then he's like, oh yeah.
I saw Raymond flip with it, so.
He did triple tail whip. You got that one? Just kidding. Don't do that.
I'm working on it. For real. What?
Secret combo.
Ooh, I like the sound of that.
I always forget Nigel backflipped this too.
He did it right here.
On the scooter, yeah. He
Oh,
did
yeah,
it on
yeah.
that. Yeah, Rick. All right, Caden, you got an idea? Just doing it backy? No biggie? Woo! You make it look too easy. Yeah. Steez. Oh, to fakie? Rick, I am shook. Oh my gosh! Dang! Well done, dude.
Amazing. You're absolutely shredded. It's so cool that we got to see you 2 years ago, and then we get to see your progression
Yeah.
and see how you're shredding again right now. That's so awesome.
And I love the new park. It's super fun.
That's
Thank you.
wicked. What do you think you're going to be doing in another 2 years?
Another 2 years.
Maybe air over the Braillehouse?
720.
Yeah. On a dirt bike, maybe.
There you go.
Awesome. All right. Well, guys, you can check out BMX Caden on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, and those links will be in the description. Thank you so much for coming to shred with us. It's really awesome to see all the cool things you've done. There are some videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave it in the comments below. We want you to learn how to skateboard, and we have everything you need on brailleskateboarding.com.
You.
Peace.